टुडे अगर हम 18 सितंबर का स्टेट एवरेज रेनफॉल देखेंगे तो दैट इज़ अराउंड 7% लेस दैन द नॉर्मल वैल्यू एज ऑन टुडे. लेकिन पिछले साल में 2021 में ऑन द सेम डेट इट वॉज अराउंड 5% हायर दैन नॉर्मल. 2022 मानसून सीजन में it will be near around normal value but mostly on the lower side of the normal, that is slightly lesser than the normal value. जो नॉर्मल रेनफॉल है उससे ऑलमोस्ट 50% लेस रेनफॉल इस साल के अगस्त में गोवा में रिकॉर्ड हुआ और उसी के ही कारण द रेनफॉल एक्टिविटी एज ए होल इन दिस सीजन हैज़ बीन ऑन द लोअर साइड कंपेयर टू द पास्ट 3 to 4 years. अभी अगर हम 2019 के बारे में देखेंगे 2020 के बारे में देखेंगे तो अगस्त एंड सितंबर विद मंथ्स वेयर ह्यूज क्वांटम ऑफ रेनफॉल वाज रिकॉर्डेड. This season in August there were so many systems over Bay of Bengal which enhanced rainfall activity over other part of the country, but those systems locations were not particularly ideal for having rainfall in Goa region. So वो रीज़न के कारण गोवा में इस साल अगस्त में रेनफॉल बहुत कम रहा और उसके ही रिजल्ट में पूरे सीजन में भी अभी रेनफॉल नॉर्मल से थोड़ा सा कम चल रहा है. नॉर्मल अभी दिस इज़ नॉट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट द रेनफॉल एक्टिविटी और द सीजनल रेनफॉल वैल्यू इज़ लोअर दैन द नॉर्मल वैल्यू. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस 3 years 2019, 2020 and 2021, the years before that, whether it be 2018 or whether it be 2017, all those years the rainfall activity was slightly on the lower side. If we typically speak about 2018, in that particular year the monsoon's total state average rainfall was minus 19%, and this year we are expecting, as of now it is around 7% lower than normal, minus 7%, and it may end up around minus 10%, because in the coming 2 weeks also normal rainfall activity is only expected. We are not expecting any increased rainfall activity, back to back heavy rainfall days, those kind of conditions we are not expecting even in these coming 2 weeks. So there is a good probability that even in this season as a whole monsoon rainfall will be within the normal ranges, but probably around, let's say, around 10% or 7% less than normal.
Okay. Do you think it will affect the further in monsoon and other things?
Like it was told, the percentage of 19 to plus 19 is decided based on the impacts that can have. If it was much lower than 19%, let's say 20 or 25%, yes, then there could have been some significant changes in the kind of water availability or storage in dams, etc., etc. But since we are expecting within the normal ranges, it may not have any significant impact. However, a lot of that depends on the patterns that we have already followed in water reservoirs, how we have utilized the available water. 18th of September, the highest seasonal rainfall was recorded from Valpoi, which is around 3,600 millimeters, 3,065 centimeters of rainfall in this monsoon season till now. And second comes Perne. So these are the two stations which generally reports the highest amount of rainfall in the monsoon season, and the pattern has followed to be the same in this year as well.
Which is the lowest?
Lowest is in this year it has been Marmugao and the coastal side of Goa, and the highest has been mostly the hilly areas or ghat areas such as Valpoi and our Perne.
Okay. So, while looking at the details, can we say that we should use water carefully this year?
See, using water or any other natural resources carefully is a mandate that all of us should follow, irrespective of whatever be the conditions are. As of now, if we discuss about the rainfall activity, it has been within the normal ranges, and what we can say is that still the season has not ended. The September 30th is the actual date of ending monsoon season, and Goa does not stop getting rainfall with monsoon season. There is still post monsoon season as well, which also add good quantum of rainfall to Goa's yearly rainfall. So still there could be rainfall activity in the month of October and November as well. There has been continued rainfall activity in the previous years. And what we have to notice is that October and November are also called as the cyclonic season or the cyclone season. So there could be some systems developing over Bay of Bengal or Arabian Sea, and which may ultimately end up in rainfall over Goa as well. So still, in short, we have to say that rainfall activity may continue with thunderstorms or with other systems in the coming 1 to 2 months as well.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.